Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds SE2. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and if it's not, just click on your earbuds at the device list and we should have connection. Yeah, we have it. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone and we can see it at the device list, so then just open it and it will reconnect to your phone. So right here we should see it. Yeah, we have connection again. If it didn't help you also, we should remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that we should enter to pairing mode, so press and hold both of the touch areas until this LED light starts flashing white. Here we go, and now we can see it at the device list, just tap on it, and we did it. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold both of the touch areas until this light starts flashing red. So firstly it enters to pairing mode and flashing white, and then it will flashing red. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click Pair New Device on Android, and after a hard reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just tap on it at the device list and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!